How can we change the pitch of sound? At home or in your school library, you may have a record player that plays black vinyl records. The record has little grooves and is placed on a round table that spins. An arm holds a diamond needle. The needle is placed in the grooves of the record. As the record turns, the needle vibrates in the grooves and you hear the sounds. The turntable on this record player has 4 different speeds. It can turn at 16, 33, 45, or 78 spins or revolutions each minute. This record was recorded to play at 33 turns per minute. Listen to the pitch of John Denver's voice as he sings the song Country Roads while we play it at different speeds.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain.
How did the pitch of the sound change as the record played at different speeds? When the record was playing at a slow speed, the pitch was low. When the record was played at a fast speed, the pitch was high. What conclusion can you make about the speed of vibrations and the pitch of the sound? Write your conclusion in your Science Toolbox journal.